Welcome to how to sync Google Calendar with Outlook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Google Calendar with Outlook. Here is how you can get it done. The easiest way to do this is via your desktop browser. To sync your Google Calendar with Outlook, head over to calendar.google.com and log into your account if you aren't already, or switch to the correct account if you are logged into multiple. Once your account loads, mouse over the calendar that you want to sync to Outlook on the left sidebar and click on the triple dotted icon that appears. Select Settings and Sharing, then scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section on the setting page that pops up. Under here, look for the link labeled Secret Address in iCal format and copy it. Once that's done, open a new tab and head to outlook.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once your calendar loads in, click on Add Calendar on the left. On the window that pops up, click on Subscribe from the web on the sidebar. From here, paste in the URL you've copied, give the calendar a name, and configure a few other options. You can opt to assign it to a color and icon and select which section to add it to. Once that's all set, simply click on Import and Outlook will sync into your calendar. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.